All right, do you have a Toyota vehicle that's white? You likely have one coat process white, which means your white paint is not white with clear coat on top. In fact, the clear coat and the white is mixed together, and they call it one coat process. So what happens is it oxidizes over time, gets very chalky, cloudy. You don't see the brilliant shine. So the one way to get it back up to out of the showroom quality is to buff, and you need to cut through that oxidization. So I've done part of the car already. I've done the hood and that front fender, but I'm going to do a demonstration on the door. But first, the products that I use are right here. So I've got a Makita 6040, but you can use any orbital polisher. But this is a great product here. This is from Germany. It's new as of 2019. That 400 is pretty much almost the equivalent of sandpaper, if you will, where it shows how much it's cutting in. But this is a heavy compound, and you do want to use a heavy compound with a pink pad, wool pad, to get through this white. You're not going to hurt it. You're not going to hurt your white. So let's, I'm going to put a blue tape, and we'll see a side-by-side comparison of a newly polished part of the door and unpolished. All right, we're going to polish the left-hand side. And since this pad was used, I did brush it out, so I made it pretty much back to clean. And I put 3 spots on it. And sometimes I put a little bit on the door itself, so I can spread it around. Now, I will put it not in the spin mode, but in the orbital mode, just to spread it around first. So, let's give it a shot. So we're going to spread it around, and I'm going to hit it in spin mode right after this. Okay, so I spread it out with the orbital, and then once it was well, on there, I then hit it with the spinner. And wear your mask, of course, always recommended. So let's see, I'm going to pull off the tape. And then, of course, I have not taken my... Yeah, you can see that lip line pretty clearly. I don't know if this does it justice in this bright light. Obviously, take a nice clean microfiber towel. And there's my line right here. I don't know if the camera shows that. But we did the hood already and this front fender, so you can just see the shine coming off of that. If we get the sun in that shot, you see the circle of the sun. That goes to show how clean it is. You can use that same product on the headlights. So I wish I showed you before picture. These were pretty faded, UV sun faded. But simply putting on that compound with the pink wool, and same procedure, orbital just to spread it out, then hit it on the spin and put some pressure on. But these headlights came out like new. So that goes pretty much for any headlight that's obviously a plastic headlight. So we're going to finish her up, but there she is. Compound, pink, wool pad, spinning, use force, don't be shy. That clear coat, since it's a one coat process, you can cut pretty deep into it. But once you do that, the white pops and looks beautiful. So there you have it. If you put any comments down below, I'll definitely answer. Thanks. And then you can enjoy your white Toyota once again.